Ndị be anyị ekeneni m unu n'ụbọchị nke taa. Anyị si na ya dịrị ndị Igbo na mma. Dịka o si dị, ihe a bụ Igbo Media ka anyị si wee na-ewetara unu ya bụ nnukwu ozi dị oke mkpa gbasịta maka ana Igbo and Igbo community and ihe debe na Nigeria. Ya bụ ife ka anyị na-ewetara unu na Igbo Media. Dịka isi wee na-esole anyị, ọ bụ na nke a bụ ụbọchị izizi gị ị na-abịa n'ilu akwụkwọ na Igbo Media, ekabaru ka i subscribe and turn on your notification ka ị lapụ miss any of our update dịka anyị na-etikwu ya n'ilu akwụkwọ kwa mgbe. Dịka o si dị, o nwere ya wetara n'ụbọchị nke taa gbasịta maka ka ya bụ ife si ada and gbasịta maka ka ya bụ ife si akpọtụ n'ala Igbo. Biko mma achọ ka ige ya bụ ife. Ihe a bụ ihe Biafra Chief of Staff bụ Ngozi Orabueze kwuru n'ilu akwụkwọ gbasịta maka ka o si ada na Finland and gbasịta maka Biafran Prime Minister Maazị Simon Ekpa. So igecha ya bụ ife idropụra ife iche n'ilu akwụkwọ gbasịta maka ihe bụ ife ndị a niile okwu. All right, over to you.
Finland, which she and her cabals, they refuse to turn it over to the government. And again, these are individuals working for the government, and then all of a sudden hijacking the properties and the documents that belong to the United States of Biafra government. And they think it's about COS or it's about Simon or it's about something. But they will pay the prices for what they're doing. So while they are busy doing everything possible to stop us from moving forward, God is opening different sources for us to get the items that they hijacked. And we have all the items that we need to continue to do what we are doing. Again, the United States of Biafra Army, they're the ones in charge of recruitment. There was no recruitment that was announced by me. And I can see people pulling flyers of a statement or something I made like 3-4 months ago when Obatobia was still around. And these criminals inside this brigade cabinet, some of them are parading it. Oh, that the COS is recruiting army, COS is doing this. That is how low they can go. And some Biafrans are listening and following these cowards in these behaviors that they are exhibiting, thinking because they're media, how about media war? And I tell them, where your own media war stops, that is where Biafrans are going to pick up. Again, we are fortifying so many bases in homeland with the resources they need. These are bases that have been approved by our Prime Minister in meetings, in my presence, in the past. But for some reason, some of the resources they've requested for have been denied of them. Not anymore. Most of them are getting what they need right now, and they are very, very happy doing what they need to do. We are going to have fundraising, like I said, this Saturday. And I believe on the 28th, the finance department are going to announce, I think there will be no fundraising on the 28th because Biafrans are traveling in different parts of the world. It is a holiday season. And I think Biafra needed time to enjoy their holidays with their families. So I think after this fundraising, for the next one on the 28th, the finance department will issue a statement on that. But Biafrans, please continue to donate privately. The account is the New Dimension mandate. That is the only account right now approved by the United States of Biafra government and by the brigade government and the de facto homeland. No other account. And if you go inside that New Dimension mandate, the homeland account is fully embedded inside there. And we thank all the states in Biafra that have been using the homeland account to donate their money. The previous account being used in the homeland, that account has been we dissociate ourselves from that account because we do not have access to that account. Nobody should donate a dime to any account except the New Dimension mandate and the local account that is inside, which most of you, I believe, have that information. I strongly believe that our fundraising will kick back on January the 4th, 2025, when we come back from the holidays. But again, all Biafrans, we encourage you to continue to donate. And I thank you so much, all the people that are donating, either during fundraising or even on their own private time. We've been getting a lot of support privately and publicly. Thank you so much. Our new United States of Biafra website is almost ready with the new account and all that. Once it's ready, the Information and Technology Department, we are going to send out that information to the whole Biafrans. And that will be the new place where we are going to start using for all our donations, all the activities concerning the government, since few individuals have decided to hijack the IPOBUSA.org and the Biafra Government in Exile account. Some of the things they do is not something I have to say here, but I'm just giving you the few information you needed to be fully informed on what is going on. The recruitment of Biafrans into the various departments of the United States of Biafra is still ongoing, and we thank all those that are professionals that have been declaring their interest. Again, we have the 24 departments, about 16 heads of departments. So continue to reach out to them with your expertise, where you can contribute, and the areas where you think you fit in best to support the building of our new nation. Continue to reach out to those individuals, the secretaries and the deputy secretaries that are heading those departments. Again, at this time, some of the fake Twitter handles, we've closed them down because some of these individuals, these criminal individuals, are using those Twitter handles to spread false information and create division in this struggle. There's no division in the United States of Biafra. We have only one government. But many of you must have noticed where people pretend they use the logo of the government of Obrigi, and they use that to spread false and unfounded information that creates stress for our people. So we don't need that. That is why we are closing. Once we recognize any of those handles, we are going to shut it down. You can always follow me on my Twitter space or follow the government handle on Twitter handle. That's where, or follow any of the secretaries of the United States of Biafra. Very soon, their handles are going to be created on Twitter, so you know who is who. We don't want people misleading and sending out wrong information using the name of this government. And we are getting great responses from our allies that are going to be partnering with the United States of Biafra, and we're going to be recognizing us. Some of those information is not something I have to relay here, but we are doing very, very good on that part to the roadmap to Biafra recognition. There are a couple of countries the letters have gone out to. There are some that are still in process. And on that note, I think that will be the end of my speech today. I thank you all for listening, and I will be able to take a few questions from Biafrans, and then we can call it a day. Thank you so much, Biafrans.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Clarendon, are you there?
I am here. You need to bring in the people requesting. They had made it virtual for me, so you could bring in the people requesting. I sent you, check your DM. I sent you something.
Okay, I'll do that. But right now, if possible.
Dr. Agi, we cannot hear you.
Oh, sorry, I didn't know I muted myself. Clarendon, I said, since Her Excellency has finished speaking, is it possible to just give her speaker and make somebody else a co-host that will assist in bringing people in?
I've done that. The person will see the invite, so that it won't block that person. I'm not going to mention the person's name. You see the invite soon. Can you hear me?
I can hear you. I can hear
Okay.
you.
Is it possible for her to give more people co-hosts to help her, Dr. Aggie?
It's only two co-hosts. That's the problem with Twitter. Only two.
Otumwamaya, can you take the co-host I've sent you? Just bring in the people in. Bring in, yeah.
Is there Tochi on the line? Is Tochi here?
Yeah, Tochi is here.
Is Tochi here?
Yeah, but I don't know. But she should have helped you in co-hosting. But go ahead.
Right. Okay. Let's start. Well, let's just start first, and then we'll be bringing in more people. Okay. Good man. Go ahead and make please, Biafrans. The Deputy Prime Minister needs questions that will impact and make positive in what we are doing. Please. So, good man. Go ahead and ask your question first while we are sorting out this co-host and other speakers. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Clarence. Thank you, Prince Agie. And I want to heartily appreciate our lioness, the Chief of Staff. We are really grateful to you for making sure the shame that these criminals wanted to bring upon Biafrans did not stand. We are really, really grateful to you. You have, raised our hopes. We are so proud of you. Keep on keeping on. We know lions don't back down. I know you can never back down. You are a very, very strong lioness. In fact, lioness fight more than lions. They go for the food, So we are really grateful to you. Thank you so much. We love you so much. Keep on keeping on. Please, I know you made mistakes in blocking some people. Can you please unblock me so that I can also be following up on your tweets? Thank you so much. God bless you. I will yield here for those who want to ask questions. Should come up with their questions. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much. I don't, when it comes to blocking people, I know I talked about this the last time. I don't. Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear
I said
you.
I know you mistakenly blocked me as well.
Okay, so somebody is muting me. Okay, so like I was saying, I don't purposely block anybody. I read a lot of things every day. I read people's comment on my Twitter handle and on the government handle. I watch people's programs. I listen to people's meetings, even though when they don't see me in those meetings, I still go back and listen to those meetings. I use my spare time to do that. So if I block somebody, the only thing I have to say is any individual that felt that I mistakenly blocked the person, you will go, or whoever, the person should go and screenshot whatever they posted before I block them. You screenshot that, you send it on Twitter, then probably put your own statement or what you feel, or maybe there's new information, or you found out the truth about what you posted that it was wrong. So you put it there, and then I know I'm going to see that, I'm going to read that. Then after that, I can go and unblock the person. But I want to treat this on a case-by-case issue, and that I think that is just fair to a lot of innocent Biafrans that some of them were just misled, and some of them have seen the information and they've written that. So that is the way that, again, I don't have anything against anybody, and I don't know if I've come to anybody's handle to comment or say things that are not appropriate on your individual Twitter space. But I think I have a right to my own space for people to come there and post things that are not factual, and they just expect they will go away with that. So that is the only thing I can say on that. Anybody I've blocked, Go and screenshot what you posted, post it on Twitter, explain your understanding, and then go from there. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mom. I'm just saying I've never posted anything against you. I've never commented anything that is stupid. I know you are standing for us. Why should I?
I'm not sure I blocked you. I'm not sure I blocked you, good man. I don't know, but I'm going to check again. I'm not sure, but I will check.
Okay, thank you.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Mom.
Princess, can you see anybody? Can you see the request? Princess Agi? Oh, wow. Okay. Otumawanya, can you hear me?
Yeah, you're coming out.
Otumawanya, can you see any of the people requesting?
I didn't see anybody requesting.
Okay, did you see the co-hosting I gave you?
No, I didn't see. The two co-hosts is already occupied.
Wow.
It's like the space is outside. I can't even see the second co-host.
All right.
No, you see, the two co-hosts is occupied already. COS and
no, because
secretary.
COS is virtual.
Yeah, but she's still with the co-host.
Okay.
Okay, you know what you do? Let her come live and then you remove the co-host. By so doing, you can be able to give it to someone, then she can go back to virtual. Thank you.
Say that again. Remove her from where?
She can come live and then you remove it from the co-host and then she will now go back to virtual. By so doing, you'll be able to give the next person the co-host.
But Princess Agi is not functioning anymore. That's the problem. If I come out now, that means I don't have any buffer. Princess Agi is not coming out anymore. She's frozen.
I didn't say you should go out. You just stay where you are. I mean, you should ask our chief of staff to come live, and then you can remove the co-host and then give someone else.
You can remove.
Then
you
can bring her down and bring her up again.
Yeah, you can. I can leave as a co-host.
Can you do us a favor? Can you do us a favor? Can you leave now, and then we'll see if we can bring you back in. I don't know. That would be better.
Yes, I'm gonna do that.
Okay, thank you.
Collect the co-host from her before she leaves.
Okay, hold on, please. Oh gosh, let me see if I can
just
collect
remove it. Yeah, just remove the co-host from me. I don't really need to leave. Just take out the co-host from me, and
but
no, she can't.
I can't see you.
She can't take out the co-host until you come live. You are not virtual. When you come live, she can now remove it, and then you go back to virtual.
Okay.
Good man, can you hear me? Princess Agi, Princess Agi is frozen now. They've taken her out completely. She's just showing as co-host, but she's not part of what is going on. So
can you remove the co-host? She's under attack.
She's under attack, yes. So,
the space is under attack. The space has been dancing.
Where is Tochi? Can anybody see Tochi? Let me see if I can, because I need to give her. Let me see if I can find Tochi.
She's no longer here.
Can anybody see the Deputy Prime Minister now? Can you see her?
She's still here with the co-host.
So she's not out then.
Yeah, I know the space is going
Please,
on that.
Clarence. Please, Claridence, click on the profile of Princess Agie.
Okay,
Remove the co-host from there.
I have.
You have?
Yeah.
Good. Good.
Okay, now reinstate her back.
Yes.
This what they've done is so bad, but it is okay.
Just remove Princess Agie. Ask her to leave and come back again.
I've done that. I'm inviting her back. Otumawanya, please do me a favor. Go out and come back. Come out.
Okay.
Yeah. It's still not happening. Biafrans, I do apologize for this. I've got 66 people requesting for the mic, but what's happening now is that we are being attacked. And I think the best thing, good man, can you make a suggestion? Do you think I should just, good man, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
So what they've done now is that we are seriously under attack. So I'm not able to see the Deputy Prime Minister at all. And it's the one-to-one with her. And so what I'm going to suggest is to see if I can just just send me a DM. Send me a DM. Don't say anything here. Send me a DM for my suggestion.
The space is on attack. Yeah. But read the DM. Let's see. Can you hear me? It's terrible.
Okay, basically, let me just while we are sorting this out, I think probably I'm just going to search for one or two people who can support on this. Just give me a second, please. Biafrans, this is part of what we are going through. Well, and this is all done by the same Biafrans like us. Nothing more, nothing less.
Can you find anybody asking for mic?
In Nigeria,
I'm just going to
Nigerian government to release nnamdi Kanu. The terrorist government run by Nigeria refused to release him.
I'm just playing the voice of our deputy prime minister.
Wadaluli neno from Igbo media boy by si wale utanu nyabozi dio kempa basta bak yene na Nigeria and yene menebe di chiche na Eastern region and uno no kosi adana Finland and Biafran Prime Minister Kesi Jidia the update and the Yabo Biafran declaration came in Finland so yene na kaya aine utelu niru akwụkwọ kifi wale ikwu basta maka Yabo iye chief of staff gasi niru akwụkwọ yene boro gasi aka and the new development on Biafra of United States of Biafra so yabi ife ka isi ka tiyedo no kono kwa ifunche no den kono basta maka yabi ife ngwa dado dinen nke mesia no monnem